What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw from your Fundbox credit line. You need cash fast for your business. In this video we're going to show you exactly how to draw from your Fundbox credit line in just a few clicks. First thing you got to do is to log into your Fundbox dashboard. Just head to fundbox.com and log into your account with your credentials. Once you're in, click on credit or draw funds. You're going to see your available credit at the top. Just click the button that's labeled draw funds or request funds. Next is to enter the amount you need. So just go ahead and type in the amount that you want to withdraw. Of course, this amount must be within your available credit limits. Next is to choose the destination bank account. So go ahead and select the business bank account that you want the funds to be sent to. This must be pre-linked. Next is to review and confirm the draw. So Fundbox is going to show the repayment plan. Be sure to review it carefully, and once everything looks good, click confirm to proceed. Once that's done, the last step is to receive funds. Now, most draws are funded as soon as the next business day. So just wait for it and you can go ahead and access it. A few tips and reminders. So Fundbox usually deposit funds by the next business day, so you just gotta wait for that time. Also, you gotta make sure that your bank account is verified and active so as to receive that funds. And of course, you can always check your draw history in the dashboard, just to go through your records and stuff. But yeah, that's it. You've just tapped into your Fundbox credit line. Now, if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more business finance tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.